Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Patty. Just want you all to see my cabbage with bacon and sausage and my honey glazed cornbread muffins. And here it is. When I get everything all plated, I will bring you back and show you what I have on the plate. This is steamed cabbage, and it is so good. I will talk to you in just a bit. Okay, y'all, here it is all plated. The cornbread muffins, the cabbage and smoked sausage and bacon, and this is the ground beef and potato au gratin. Here it is with cheese on top, and it is delicious. Please like, share, follow. Tap the notification bell to be reminded of uploads. Please subscribe. I really would appreciate you helping me out. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I will see you and talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye now.